Hello bestie, welcome back again to the channel. Today my name is Jenny. If this is your first time seeing this face, you are highly welcome. So in this channel we deal on lifestyle vlogs and relatable content just like this. So for those of you that have been asking me how I managed to blur my background, this video is for you guys, okay? So especially if you are into talking head videos or you are in a particular place where the background is not palatable but you actually want to make a video, you can actually blur your background just like the way you see me doing right now. So bestie, we are not going to be using CapCut on this particular tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys with an easy app that every one of you actually know. It's not a paid app, okay? So you can actually do this for free. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the end and let's get into it. The app we're using for this tutorial is called InShot app. So if you don't have this InShot app on your phone, kindly download it from your Apple Play Store if you're using an iPhone, or download it from your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. Okay, so for me, this is my InShot. I'm going to press on it now. Okay, so when I press it, it's going to open up this platform like so. Then you go over to video. We have video, we have photo, we have collage. So you go over to video, okay? Then you press your video. Then you see this part where they wrote new and plus. You press the plus part because we are trying to create a new project, okay? Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and pick any of the video you have created with your talking head videos, okay? So I'm just going to pick one of these. I'm just going to pick it, then you press the OK mark, okay? So because this video is actually for YouTube, I'm going to go over to Canvas and I'm going to take it over to 16.9, which is the landscape. The ratio I want is 16.9, which is the landscape for YouTube. So I'll just press it and it's going to give me landscape like this. Then I'll press this OK part because we don't want the audio from the video for now. So I'm going to actually go over to volume and I'm going to mute this volume, okay? I'm going to mute the video. So after muting it, this is what we are having now. Zoom your video the way you want it to be. So this is optional. So I always advise you to edit your video first before blowing your background, okay? So after editing, let's assume we have edited our video. So I will go over now to effect. So I'm going to look for effect. So this is effect. I'm going to press effect. Then from that effect, you're going to see AI effect. Press on it. When you press AI effect, it's going to bring you over to this part and you're going to scroll over like this to look for blur. So I'm just going to scroll until I see where they wrote blur. So this is blur. I think blur is the last. So I'll just press on that blur. You're going to have a lot of effect under this blur. So we have the cows, we have the mosaic, we have the bars, we have the glass. So this glass, anyone looking like this color of this glass is actually a paid effect, okay? So we have the circle, we have diamond, we have these other two, we have the hexagon and the hearts. These other two are for paid this thing. So the one I normally use is cows. I use this. You can also use mosaic if you want. You can use bars. And the one I normally use again is circle. Okay, so I use gauss and circle most of the time. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose one of it. So I'm going to be choosing cows for today's tutorial. So you can see how it's looking, okay? You can see the blur effect. To make it look more natural, what I'm going to do is to come over to this part and adjust this volume. You can see, adjust this part. When you adjust it to the end, it's going to return back to the original look of the video. So just go ahead and adjust it to your preference. There is no standard volume for this, okay? So just make sure you do what suits you and the video. So I think it's okay this way. Then I'll just press over to this mark. Good. Okay. Then after doing that, you move it now to the end length of your video. So I'm just going to move it now to the end length of my video like this. So you just take it to the end of the video after editing your video, right? And this is how it's looking. You can see how the video is looking now. So, but to make it more natural, what I normally do is to go over to this part where they wrote adjust. So I'm just going to press on adjust. Then I'm going to adjust the light of this video, the lightness of this video, adjust it. So I think 9 is okay. I'll go over to the contrast and I'll adjust it. Okay, so I will adjust it like this. Then I will go over to the warm. I'll put 2, saturation 2, then highlight. I'm going to also put for the highlight, I think 10 is okay. So this is not standard. Adjust it anyhow you want. Okay, so for the sharpness, I'm going to increase it to 16. I think 15, 16 is okay. Then after doing that, you can see when I press this part, the before, you will see how it looks like before, and this is how it looks like now. Before, now. So I'm going to press OK. Now when you press OK, you can see what we are having now. Okay, so if this adjust is not up to the length of your video, increase the length so that it will be up to the video. So after doing that, let me just play the video for you guys to see how it looks. So you can see how beautiful the video is looking like. You can see how natural it's looking now. Okay, you can see how it came out, looking so clear, looking so bright. Your background is not going to make a distraction. Okay, so people are going to just focus on you and you alone, not on your background. Okay, so and this is how it was looking before. You can see without the blur effect, and this is how it's looking now with the blur effect. So let me know the one you prefer. Do you enjoy using InShot app or you enjoy using CapCut app for the blurring of your background? Let me know on the comment section. So after doing that, just go ahead and press OK. Then you save your videos or you upload it on whichever platform you want to upload it. So bestie, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and also remember to support this channel at all time. So without wasting your time, see you in the next video. Bye bye.